Hey yo, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
That's lame.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Listen up.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
And that's that. Yo, the moral of the story is, just because someone's a little bit different, doesn't mean you need to treat them different. Happy holidays. From me, Santa, and Rudolph.